Hello viewers, thank you. I'm back again. Thank you for subscribing, for following, for commenting. Please, if you know that you have not subscribed, you have not viewed, I'm asking you to comment, to view, and also subscribe. Last time I discussed about why do marriage fail, and today also I'll be discussing about why marriage fell part 2. Why do marriage fail? Marriage fell because of wrong foundation. In this wrong foundation, you will see culture. Culture is people's way of life, the way they do things, the way they behave, the way they handle their things. Yes, you will ask me, why am I bringing culture into this problem? I have seen a place where a man or woman, they don't stick to one partner, they move from one man to another, and it can actually destroy marriage. It can actually fail marriage. Another thing that can make marriage to fail under this wrong foundation is premarital sex. There is no need of you pinching what you will open later. Premarital sex have destroyed so many souls. It have break so many homes. It have break so many relationships. So premarital sex, though, as a man, as a woman, please don't indulge in this premarital sex, because it can lead to destruction of trust. It can lead to sexual transmitted disease, and also it can lead to unprepared pregnancy. Another thing under this wrong foundation is upbringing. There is a differences in training. Please don't allow what maybe you have learned in your home or in your family, you bring it up to your home, and you want to impose it on the man or on your woman. You want your man to start behaving the way you think that he should or she should behave. No, you know that the way you were trained is different from the way he was trained. All right, the second reason why marriage fail is lack of trust. People have been having a lot of problem because they don't trust their husband, they don't trust their wife. You see them, suspecting their husband or wife. There is a quote that says the development and the growth of love depend on how deep the trust exists in a relationship. Unsuspicious or unnecessary suspiciousness. You suspect your husband, you suspect your wife movement. It's not good. Please, I'm urging you, there will be a trust in the marriage. It make marriage last. It make marriage beautiful. When both of you don't believe on each other, it can actually lead to a failed marriage. It can actually make marriage to fail. The third point why marriage fail is external influence. External influence is the influence from your home. That is the influence from extended family members, the influence from friends, or influence from environment or society. Now, the influence from your family member, don't allow your family member to tell you what to do in the marriage, or you allow them, you share your problem with them. They will start giving you a negative a thought or a wrong advice in that home. Now, influence from your friends can lead to failure of marriage. You listen to them, they start comparing your husband with theirs. Before you know, it can lead to failure of marriage. Now, the societal influence, the environment you are, don't allow that environment to influence you, the way they do their things or the way they live their life. Just have a standard life where you live and do your things correctly. The fourth point is inability to handle your problem together. As a man, as a woman, you must learn how to handle your problem together. Please, when you have problem in a home, don't try to bring third party in that home. Try to handle it as much as you can, because third party can also destroy the marriage or even give both of you an advice that can break the home. Whether you are rich or poor, or you're in the sick bed, don't allow those things to break up your marriage. Maybe you are rich and you don't have money again, and it's bringing problem, it's causing a lot of crisis in your home. You can actually make that marriage to work. You can actually understand yourself. Don't allow maybe the poverty to break your home, or don't allow the riches to break your home. Now, it's good to have a good marriage. It's good to have a joyful marriage and a splendid marriage.